Everybody ready to go? Everybody's got their bags. Truman, you ready?
Mine isn't that difficult.
You ready?
Mine doesn't topple over.
We gotta get these big bags out of the way of the door. Hey, we have all of our belongings in the elevator. Are you guys excited? Ready to go to Hawaii? Okay, we successfully got off the shuttle. Very tight shuttle. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we did come early this morning, just a little early because, you know, we wanted to get some breakfast and, you know, just to be sure we had everything. And good thing because I actually left my guitar in the hotel, so I quick took an Uber back, got it, and I'm back now, so we're good to go. Zaki, where's Zaki riding? Oh, there he is, his very special friend. What about Cow? Where's Cow riding it? Oh, is that his seatbelt? Oh, that's very good.
It picks up on these to do with it.
We are all ready to go.
First time in an airport, right?
No, but first time in this area of an airport.
Like first time past the security gate.
Yeah.
Now, we're about to get some McDonald's for breakfast, but I think this is really cool about Seattle. They have a Stumptown coffee roaster here. What? So I told Siobhan, I'm like, I'm not getting McDonald's coffee. We're gonna get some good coffee here. Okay, we're about to board. Everybody's ready. It's a big, huge line. And we had one small flaw, one snag. Graham left the ukulele on the train right before we got like the little train to get to this gate. So we couldn't find it. I looked everywhere. Have to get lost and found to send it in for me. But at least we'll get all the people on. Here we go.
We have to say our goodbyes.
That we're still going to.
Goodbye, America.
Okay. You ready, love?
So ready. Take care of us. Alright. Got it.
You gonna give it a kiss, Benny?
No.
No?
There.
We're coming.
Kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again.
When you were on those planes to Louisiana, did you watch Louisiana TV?
Like that?
Yeah.
Sometimes. Do you have a TV screen you can watch TV?
We're on the plane.
Ma.
What you got in your mouth?
Because this is their first plane ride.
Gum.
That's good.
Hey, Mom.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Plane's about to take off. I wanted to get their reactions.
So kiss me and smile for me. Tell me that you'll wait for me. Hold me like you'll never let me go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go.
So, I've learned that the best place to vlog when you're on an airplane is in the bathroom. That is the best place to vlog. we're having a good time. The kids are doing pretty well. I got a lot of vlogging done, and it's just a long flight, but we're almost there. We're super excited. You guys see land?
Yeah, I see Hawaii.
You do.
Well, now the clouds are covering it, but I saw Hawaii. We're not getting off of that at this Hawaii.
What have we lost so far on this journey? It's been a journey of like breadcrumbs, right? We leave Walker breadcrumbs in every town.
Yeah, well, there's so many of us, we keep losing
We haven't
things and leaving things
left
behind.
anything.
So we left another ukulele. The first one we left at the airport in Seattle.
Which we have to get.
Which we have to get somehow. I don't know. It's probably lost forever. But the second one we left on the plane and had to go back and get it. And I also left the boarding passes on the plane, but thankfully we can get some other ones.
So we have one more flight, right?
One more flight. It's going to be a quick up and down. It's only 30 minutes, so
But we're in Hawaii.
Yay!
We're not in the right one. We're in Maui.
We're in Maui, and we just have a quick jump over to the Big Island.
And we're going to Kona.
Can you believe this actually is happening? Like,
It just feels so weird. I
This is
can't
like-
believe it.
I think about, like, from the guy's perspective, like, this was so much money, and yet everything came in for this.
Everything fell into place. I just got a message on Instagram from the Freese family, and they're coming.
Oh, great.
So they're going to be here the second week of October because their housing came through that they were waiting on.
Oh, that's
So we'll get to
awesome.
meet them too, which is
So
cool.
good.
Super
Truman
excited.
is jumpy. This is what happens when Truman has to sit
Truman's
for 5
excited.
hours.
It's okay. Get your wiggles out.
Get him out now.
6 hours.
Go ahead, Graham.
Good job. All right.
You do it, Truman.
Okay, go ahead, Jooms. Good job.
Okay, go on in.
Here we go.
Okay,
And I
you're
got gum.
done. Okay.
Now the time has come to leave you. One more time, oh let me kiss you. Close your eyes and I'll be on my way. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh babe, I hate to go. I'm leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again.
Okay, we're here in Kona, and we just gotta get our rental car. We got all of our bags, everything arrived safely, so this is really exciting. Siobhan just took the littles to the bathroom. It is really hot here, and we're just standing in the shade with some fans. Are you guys so excited? Look at Camden's dancing. Look at our cool little Airbnb we got. This is beautiful.
I heard a goat. Are you guys ready to go in?
Wow, look at this view.
Isn't this beautiful? All right, let's go in. Wow,
Wow.
beautiful.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Look at
I need to
We
go
have the whole
potty.
upstairs.
Mommy, I need to go potty.
Okay, go potty.
We officially just arrived in Kona just about a couple hours ago, and we picked up our rental car and drove up to our Airbnb. We have an amazing patron subscriber, and I just want to call her my friend because she has been so amazing to our family. She has sent us words of encouragement, and she's just an amazing person. And she heard that we didn't know where we were going to be staying the first 2 nights while we were here in Kona, because we can't actually check into the school until Thursday, and it's Tuesday now. So we were going to have a couple nights where we were kind of like, I don't know what to do, and the hotel prices that we were looking at were $300 a night or more. And so we're just like, just going to pray about it. You know, God, we're just going to pray about it. And so we kind of just let it go, like we have been doing, just like, okay, God, you're going to have to work this out. And so our good friend and patron subscriber, she messaged us and she said, I felt like God wanted us to, God wanted me to give an extra amount for you guys to have a place to stay the first 2 nights. And so she sent us $371. And when we went onto Airbnb to just look and see if there was maybe an Airbnb that we could get that was cheaper, there was a whole lot of really, really expensive homes that came up, or homes that were not for a family our size. And so I was a little discouraged, but I kept looking, and then this one popped up called Koloko Cottage. And it's the upstairs of a home, and I just want to take you on a tour of our Airbnb because it is absolutely beautiful. So I'm standing in the front door here, and here's this amazing little open, wide open room. We've got a dining space over here, and this nice little sitting area. Lots of room for the boys to play. There's even a little toy box here with some fun little things inside. And of course our boys went for that right away. They're like, sweet, toy box, new toys. And here first is the master bedroom, or at least that's what we've chosen for the master bedroom. A gorgeous little wardrobe in the, gorgeous big wardrobe I should say, in the corner. Here we have a cute little kitchen with everything that you might need. A bathroom. Here's another bedroom, and over here look at this cozy chair. We're gonna try that out later. Over here is yet another bedroom. So it's got 3 bedrooms that will sleep 6, and then lots of couch space. I gotta show you this, guys. This is the best part. Look at this. That down there is the ocean, and I will try to get a better shot of that. But look at this big wide open yard where the kids can run, and they've got trampolines, and this big open porch space where we're gonna totally sit. We're gonna totally sit there and have our coffee in the morning. And you guys, the crazy thing is this was like the best deal out there. It was the best deal, the best price, the best space for our family. And there's another story that goes behind it. I'm gonna tell you about it later though, because we have to go to Costco and pick up stuff for Taco Tuesday.
Okay guys, we are here in Hawaii. Yay! We're so excited, and we're sitting right here on the YWAM campus, the Kona campus, with this beautiful like banyan tree behind us. There's actually a cafe here that they call the Banyan Tree Cafe. But we wanted to finish this vlog today to say thank you guys. Thank you for all your support, for watching the channel, allowing us to just even get here. This is so huge.
Yes, and giving us the grace with the vlog, because we are way far behind, but we're trying to catch up, and that's why we're doing this video. We want to let you know.
We want to finish this one, and we want to let you know about what's coming next.
Yes. So coming up next, we are going to do a big update video. We're going to show you what we've been doing here in Hawaii. We're going to talk to you all about what life has looked like here, what our classes have looked like.
The triumphs, the struggles, all of it. And we're so excited, and God's been doing some great things in our heart too. And then we're gonna tell you about something that I'm gonna do that we're not gonna tell you guys about. And we're also gonna tell you where we're gonna be going on our missions trip, our outreach. Those are 2 big things that we're gonna show you on our next video.
Yeah.
So thank you once again. Don't forget to check out our Patreon page, where we're always posting new lens clips all the time. These are little Instagram stories that are specific for our community and for you guys who want to know more about what we're doing. Our newsletter, and these are areas where you can stay up to date with us regularly. Siobhan's on Instagram with Everyday Family Adventure. So don't forget about all of those things. We're gonna let you guys go today, and we'll see you next time. So remember, we can make the world better.
I believe we can.
Bye.
I believe